Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm going to be making a no-bake mango dessert. But before I begin, thank you so very much for your constant support. And to those who are viewing my video for the first time, thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, please do subscribe and feel free to share with your friends. So let's start this easy dessert. First, we require some biscuits of your choice. So here I've taken digestive and some Parle-G biscuits. You could take any biscuits, but if it has less sweet, it would be much better. So that's why I've taken only a couple of these. I've got more of the digestive biscuits. So now we need to powder this. Let's do that. The biscuits have been powdered. Into this we'll add in some melted butter. We'll mix this up. So this is ready. Now we need a mold like this, but you can take any mold. You can have one large mold or smaller portions like this. If you're using a large mold, use one with a removable base so that you can demold the dessert easily. We'll put a spoonful of this in each cavity. And we'll take a small lid or a glass or something like this and just press this in nicely, so that it settles down at the bottom neatly. Once the biscuit crumbs are neatly pressed inside, we'll put this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Into some boiling water, we'll add in some agar-agar powder, about a tablespoon and a half. We'll wait until this dissolves. It takes time to dissolve. The agar-agar has dissolved and the water has thickened. We can switch this off now. Into half cup of mango puree, we'll pour this agar water, a little bit. Now we'll pour the mango mixture, 1 tablespoon in each of these cavities. We'll even it out like this. We'll put this in the fridge while we work on the next step. Into a bowl, we'll add about 250 ml whipping cream. Some icing sugar. And we'll give this a good whisk. The cream is ready. We'll just set this aside and work on the paneer. I've got 1 cup of paneer. This is store-bought paneer. The paneer has to be soft. So you can either put it in the microwave for about a minute or 2, or you could put it in boiling water until it becomes soft. Then we should transfer it into a mixer and then make a puree. We'll add in the paneer puree. Some hung curd. It will add to the creaminess. mango puree, some condensed milk, we'll add in the agar agar water. We'll fold in some whipped cream. We'll transfer this to a piping bag. So I've transferred the cream into a piping bag just for convenience. Let's fill up the cavity with this mango cream. Now we need to put this back in the fridge and allow it to set completely before we demold it. It's been in the fridge for a while and it is set. Let's demold it. We'll top it with some cream. We'll add in some mango at the center. And we're done.